Hello viewers, I hope you are all doing well. In this video we will learn how to use pattern command and Creo Parametric. First, create a new part file. Ensure you select millimeters as your system. Go to the Model tab and click on the Tick command. Click on the datum to select your trajectory plane, that is front plane. Now select circle and draw your sketch, and then click OK. Activate the previous tools and select sketch. Draw circle and complete the feature to generate the solid model. With the sweep feature selected, click on the pattern command. Change the pattern type to axis and select the center axis you want to revolve around. Input the required number of members and the angle between members. Then click OK. And you will see the pattern model. Now let's delete this model and start a sketch again to demonstrate the pattern command on a whole. Go to the Model tab or Flexible Modeling tab and select the Whole tool. After this, model. Now, while we have created a coin-shaped model, now select the whole as. Now we will give the references to the two offset handles, one the horizontal and the other vertical planes. Once the whole is placed, click OK. When the whole selected, open the pattern command again. Select axis as the pattern type and pick your central axis. Enter your desired number of copies and angle, just like the previous step. Click OK to finish. That completes today's lesson. Thanks for watching.